Hey guys, my name is Hamad and it's a second tutorial on Python. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a label in Python and set its position around the form. So first you have to make an object which name is my label1 or either anything you can make the name. After that you have to put an equal to and a class which is label. Make sure that L should be capital, and after that round brackets, and inside that everything will I will write everything which will the tag, the background color, the foreground color, etc. First I'll write the text equal to hello. Okay, so I'll just save it and run it, but it will not run because you have to add a method using either its object name or by direct applying here dot pack. It's a by default method which will use to show the label in the center of the form. So when I run it, you can see here it is the label. So first I'll show you how to add it directly. Now I'm showing it how to add it using the object name dot pack, and after that I'll run it and you can see it will work. Either you write it in here or with the object name. So I'm copying this one and making another label to show you how to use both the methods dot pack, and I'm hello2 and change its object's name to 2 my label 2, and after that I'll run it, save it and then I run it. It will show both the label. So by default they are appearing on the center of the form. You can see, as you can see. So if we want to change this position, we have to change these methods. We have to change it and write place, and after that we have to give x-axis and y-axis. So I'm giving x-axis 100 and y 20, and it will change its position. As you can see here, the label 1 appears here because we give it x-axis and y-axis. If we do this the same with the second label, it will also change its position. So I'm giving 20 x-axis and 200 y-axis. So as you can see, here is the second label. So we have two methods to place the position of the label. So first one is place and the second one is grid, which will work on row and column. You know what row and what is column. So I'm giving first label first row and 0 column, and I'm giving the second label first row and column 1. So when I run it, it will appear here. So this is the first row and it is column. So here is the 0 column, but if I want the second label to appear here, I have to change the column to 0. So it will appear on top of it. But if I give it 2, no, I give it 1, so then it will appear here. Actually F2, yeah, that's it. Now it is the first row. It is the first row and column 1 and column 2. But if I want this label to write up here, I have to make its row number 2. So then it will appear here, as you can see, but it is not showing here. So I have to change the column value 2. So now it will appear here and here. So it is our second tutorial to how to add a label and change its position using place and grid. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.